Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to generate AI art images with Midjourney. First of all, we need to join Midjourney Discord server. To do that, open a new tab and type discord.gg/Midjourney and hit enter. Click on accept invite. Fill up this captcha. Once you joined to this Midjourney server, scroll down to the left hand side and from this list, open any newbies channel. In this message field, enter here a slash and type imagine and click on this prompt. Add your AI art keyword. So follow me. I'm gonna adding dark city, angry cat, horrible background, rain, dragon in sky, fire sky. And after adding your keywords, you need to add these two extra keywords to make your AI art hyper realistic. So give a comma and type hyper realistic, comma, and give 4K. And to get the best AI art, enter here this version 4 and send this command. And it may take some time to generate the AI art here. And finally here you can see my AI art has been generated here. So I want to take this version 4. So I'm gonna selecting here U4 and I want to get this version 4 only one copy. So I'm gonna select here V1 and scrolling down. And here you can see my AI art has been successfully generated. Now I'm clicking on open in browser. And here is the final result. Now I can easily save this art to my computer. So that's how we can generate images with Midjourney. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.